Hello friends, welcome to Netflix channel. In this video we are going to see a very simple and easy egg fry. It will be very tastier too. Come, let's start the recipe. The ingredients I have taken is 5 eggs. With this we are going to do 2 varieties of fry. One with pepper and salt, 1 spoon pepper and 1 spoon salt. The other variety is with chili powder. That is, I have grinded 50 grams of chili powder and 50 grams of salt, 1 spoon of jeera and 2 pieces of garlic. This I have prepared already and taken 2 spoons of grinded powder. Now I am going to boil the eggs using egg poacher. In this you can boil many eggs at a time. Pour 2 cups of water on the base and place our washed eggs. Can keep 7 in one rack. I have taken 5 eggs. I am going to on the switch. Once the egg is boiled, it will automatically switch off. Boiling egg in this posture is very simple and comfortable too. Put all the boiled eggs in water. Remove the outer shell. Now cut the boiled eggs into 2 equal halves. By the side, we can heat a pan and pour 2 spoons of oil and place all the eggs. We are going to shallow fry it. Fry both the sides. Now sprinkle some turmeric powder. Allow the egg to fry completely on both the sides. Now it's ready. We can separate it into 2 portions. In first half we are going to add pepper and salt, half spoon each. And for the other portions we are going to add the chili mix. According to your taste, you can add the mixture. Now turn both the sides and let it fry. Now again apply to the other sides. Half spoon pepper, half spoon salt. Then for the other portion, add chili powder. Sprinkle some water over it and turn it over. Let all the masalas mix together. It's a very quick recipe. Now the dish is ready. We can serve it hot. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Don't forget to send your comments. Thank you for watching.